Hey everyone, welcome back to Millennial Living. Now, on this episode, you guys got a shed and you need some kind of lighting for it? Well, I got something that you might be interested in. It's made by Sunforce and it's a light that is solar powered and it comes with a remote specifically made for patios, decks, sheds, porches. You know, Sunforce is a brand that we are big fans of. So we ended up buying this from Home Depot. It was about 35 bucks. Now, they didn't sell it in the store, we had to order it. So this light is 100 lumens, which is not that bright, but for a shed like this, it may just be perfect for you. Here's what it all comes with. It comes with the light, comes with the solar panel, and then it comes with the remote. So this is where we put our solar panel, because when you install these solar panels, you want it facing the south direction, because that's where the sun is. So it's very important you have it facing south. So here's some pictures of it in a shed and on somebody's patio. Now, it doesn't look as bright as that, but I think it works decent for about 35 bucks. And it's a brand that you can trust, because you know there's so many companies nowadays making these solar panel lights out there, and then they may last really like 3 months, 6 months or something like that, and then you end up regretting buying it. But this is a brand that I've bought many products from. We love it. I think you've seen in our previous videos, we've lit it up all around our house, their products, and they've lasted for a year, 2 years, and ongoing. Alright guys, let's take a look inside and we'll show you how it works. Alright guys, so first thing, this is the remote. It's tiny. One thing I like about it, I can hang it up right here. So when I come in, I can just grab it and turn it on. Low, high, and off. Low, high, and off. So I ended up screwing it up here and then have the wire running out through the vent. So we're gonna close it and then turn it on, and you can see how bright it is. So this is low, and then this is high. Not bad, you can see pretty much everything in here. So one of the things we're gonna do with the shed is put 2 windows on it. So it's gonna get natural light, then on top of this, we're gonna have this solar powered light, and I think it's gonna really pop. And we really don't store much in this shed. We primarily use it for keeping our barbecue grill and some things, but this February, we're gonna have a kid, and maybe down the road, this will be like a clubhouse or whatever if they wanna do that. But it's nice light, 35 bucks, can't beat it. So if you're in the market for a light for your deck, your porch, or your shed, this is not a bad investment. 35 bucks, it's a brand you can trust. Alright guys, I hope you liked that quick video. If you guys like what we're doing here, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and then share this with your family and friends. Bye.